Pipe Wrap LLC offers DOT-compliant composite products utilized for the permanent and/or emergency repair of piping systems. Each of these engineered composite repair systems have been extensively tested, resulting in an easy-to-apply in-situ repair, thus eliminating pipe replacement and/or production downtime. Pipe Wrap A+ is suitable for a variety of pipeline applications such as structural reinforcement, corrosion mitigation, abrasion resistance, impact protection, and it works equally as well in either wet or dry conditions, even if completely submersed underwater. The purpose of this video is to provide a product overview and show the application technique of the Pipe Wrap A+ repair system. Pipe Wrap A+ repair system is comprised of a high compressive strength putty, a corrosion-resistant epoxy primer coating, and a water-activated polyurethane resin pre-impregnated fiberglass cloth. Although the Pipe Wrap A+ system is supplied ready for use, some application tools are required and offered by Pipe Wrap LLC. The only additional requirement for use is a source of water. Although the Pipe Wrap A+ components are non-hazardous, it's good safety practice to always wear protective clothing, safety glasses, and latex gloves for the product application. Step 1 is pipe surface preparation. The surface should be sandblasted to a minimum 2.5 to 5 mil profile. If sandblasting cannot be done, the use of a side grinder with a 24 to 80 grit sanding disc is permitted. Afterwards, solvent wipe using acetone, MEK, or toluene to remove debris and oily residues. Step 2 is to fill all the voids with the filler putty. To mix the putty, tear off the amount needed and knead the material until it becomes a uniform color. Then fill the voids with the putty to the contour of the pipe. Step 3 is to apply the primer coating. To mix the primer coating, first measure out equal parts of material by volume, then slowly mix as to not entrap air into the mixture until the material attains a uniform color. Allow the material to set for approximately 5 to 10 minutes before applying to the pipe surface. After the prescribed time has lapsed, apply the corrosion coating to the entire pipe surface of the repair area, with an average thickness of 0.03 inches. Allow the primer coating to set for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 4 is the application of the Pipe Wrap A+. Remove the hermetically sealed Pipe Wrap A+ roll from the foil pouch and briefly inspect the roll to ensure that it is soft and pliable. Immediately immerse the roll in the open container of water for a minimum of 20 seconds, turning and squeezing lightly to ensure the material is saturated as much as possible. There are two methods of applying Pipe Wrap A+ depending on the repair type. One method is the layer upon layer method of placing each layer directly over the previous layers. The second method is a spiral bias typically used for longer defects. This method requires there be a 50% overlap as the Pipe Wrap A+ is applied. Whether you're using the standard layer upon layer wrap method or the spiral bias wrap method, continue the wrapping until the desired number of layers is achieved, as dictated by the Repair Wrap Calculator software. Depending on the extent of the repair, multiple rolls of Pipe Wrap A+ may be needed to achieve the total number of layers required. If so, repeat the process of opening and saturating the rolls of Pipe Wrap A+ with water and continue applying the wrap, starting with a 50% overlap from the end of the last roll. Once the wrap has been exposed to moisture, there's a 15 to 25 minute working time, depending on the temperature, so the wrap should be installed efficiently and smoothly, but not hurriedly. The material should be completely wetted on all surfaces at all times during installation. In addition, the material should be consistently pulled tightly and smoothed from the center out in the direction of the roll. Make sure that the wrap comes fully into contact with the filler and corrosion coating, but is not pulled so tightly as to extrude all the material. Care must be taken at all times to ensure that all air spaces and voids are completely eliminated between the layers. Good adhesion between the layers is essential and can be accomplished with consistent pressing and firm smoothing of the layers with the open palm of the hand in the applied direction of the wrap. While wrapping, tiny droplets of water should be visibly squeezing through the weave of the pipe wrap A+ fabric, all 360 degrees around the pipe repair. If at any time there is a lack of such water droplets, more activating water should be sprayed onto the pipe wrap A+ surfaces before continuing wrapping. The roll of pipe wrap A+ can be unwrapped far beyond the contact point to ensure correct placement and layup. If necessary, the pipe wrap A+ material can be cut in place to eliminate voids or blisters where inconsistent surfaces or obstacles dictate. If the wrap is cut, the restarted cut end should overlap the installed end by half the width of the roll. Continue the application of the wrap to the required number of layers. Step 5 is to tightly apply 2 to 3 layers of the plastic constrictor wrap over the repair area in the direction of the original wrap. This provides compaction of the laminate during the curing process while giving the repair a smooth finish. Allow the pipe wrap A+ to cure for 1 hour. The plastic constrictor wrap must be perforated to allow any excess water and gas byproduct, CO2, to escape freely. The perforating roller may be purchased from Pipe Wrap LLC. Step 6 is to remove the constrictor wrap and apply a pipe coating to the entire repaired area. If the coating from Pipe Wrap LLC is used, follow the previous mixing instructions and apply a 20 to 30 ml coverage over the entire repair area. Under most conditions, Pipe Wrap A+ will set enough to handle, coat, or rebury in 1 hour, although 100% cure requires 24 hours. The pipeline can be safely repressurized 2 hours after completion of installation. The Pipe Wrap A+ composite repair system is easy to install while providing a permanent repair that has been extensively tested and is DOT compliant.